Are you ready to practice your English listening skills? Listen to a lecture for a minute or two, and then answer 5 questions related to the topic. Ready? Let's begin.
Welcome to today's lecture on one of the most iconic monuments in the world, the Taj Mahal. Situated in Agra, India, the Taj Mahal is a symbol of love and beauty, known for its stunning architecture and rich history. The Taj Mahal was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal. Construction began in 1632 and took around 20 years to complete. It is said that Shah Jahan was deeply saddened by the death of Mumtaz Mahal during childbirth, and he wanted to create a magnificent mausoleum to honor her. One of the most striking features of the Taj Mahal is its white marble exterior, which changes color throughout the day depending on the sunlight. The central dome is surrounded by 4 smaller domes and is flanked by 4 minarets. The intricate marble inlay work, featuring precious stones and intricate designs, is a testament to the craftsmanship of the artisans. The Taj Mahal is not only a mausoleum but also a complex of buildings. The main mausoleum houses the tombs of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal, while the surrounding structures include a mosque and a guest house. The reflection pools add to the beauty of the complex, creating a stunning reflection of the Taj Mahal in the water. Today, the Taj Mahal is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and attracts millions of visitors from around the globe. It is considered one of the most beautiful buildings in the world and continues to be a symbol of eternal love.